Have you ever been trapped in the endless loop of weight loss, even though you've tried countless diets and exercise routines? This is a struggle we know too well. You are not alone. So many of us have grappled with the sheer frustration of not seeing the results we crave for, even after enormous efforts, dealing with those pesky, persistent hunger pangs and insatiable cravings, or feeling the harsh sting of being deprived of foods it seems like we're stuck in a relentless draining cycle of hope, then disappointment. But hang on, here comes the game changer. What if I told you? There is a way to shed those pounds while still indulging in satisfying meals and reaping a bouquet of health benefits. Step into the exhilarating world of keto weight loss recipes. This isn't just a diet, it's a revolutionary game changer in the realm of dieting. The keto diet is a unique breakthrough approach to healthy living. Imagine this, a diet so powerful that it turns your body into a fat-burning machine, all the while maintaining a high-fat, low-carb balance. Picture yourself indulging in rich, sumptuous meals that not only quench your cravings but also help you shed those pesky pounds. This isn't about just slashing carbs, it's about embracing an entirely new lifestyle. The magic of keto weight loss recipes doesn't stop there. The range of benefits they offer is truly astounding, distinguishing them in the dietary universe. All right, folks, let's lift our glasses and cheer for the all-stars of trimming down, our keto weight loss recipes. Now you may ask, what's the secret ingredient in weight loss magic potion? Well, get ready for a double delight. First off, the keto diet comes with a cool trick. It's a high-fat, low-carb superhero that tames your tummy growls. With this hunger hulk keeping check, you'll easily glide towards less calorie munching. The second trick up its sleeve? The keto meals are packed with protein power that fills you up to the brim, slashing your food-gobbling habits. So, armed with this dynamic keto duo, wave a cheery goodbye to those annoying hunger monsters and strut into the sunshine flaunting a leaner figure. It's time to revel in the victory of keto. But the marvels of keto weight loss recipes extend far beyond just shedding the pounds. When you embrace a keto lifestyle, it's not merely about slimming down. You're embarking on a journey to amplify your overall health, a quest to a better you. The keto diet, renowned for its ability to refine health markers, is a surprise package of wellness benefits. Contemplate this. It can stabilize blood sugar levels and regulate insulin. For those in a duel with diabetes, this is nothing short of a miracle. And the wonders of the keto diet don't halt here. Keto weight loss recipes possess the power to enhance brain function. Even more astonishing, the diet has the potential to supercharge your energy levels. With your body's newfound efficiency in burning fat for fuel, it maintains a steady stream of energy, keeping you agile, active, and alert throughout the day. So it's not about losing weight. You're transforming your overall health and well-being, discovering a world of extraordinary benefits. Just wait until you discover one of the most exciting aspects of keto weight loss recipes, their incredible versatility and range. Imagine a world teeming with a multitude of keto-friendly meals, from the hearty sizzle of a savory steak dish to the sinful indulgence of a decadent chocolate dessert. There's a surprise for every palate and preference. For the meat lovers, and yes, even for the vegetarians, there's a keto recipe crafted to perfection just for you. This tantalizing assortment doesn't just add a thrill to your meals, it also simplifies adhering your diet plan. So gear up, as keto weight loss recipes are all set to offer you an exhilarating, adaptable, and potent solution to your weight loss challenges. And that's not all. Listen up. All you busy folks who crave quick yet healthy meal alternatives, hold on to your seats because we're about to blow your mind. We have gone above and beyond, curating a whopping list of 116 finger-licking, oil-free keto air fryer recipes that cook faster than your favorite sitcom's commercial break, in less than 30 minutes. We're talking about tantalizing dishes like crispy chicken wings that pack a punch, addictive zucchini fries, and get this, even keto-friendly donuts that are utterly divine. Here's the catch. These recipes are all crafted in an air fryer, meaning they're completely oil-free, taking your health quotient a notch higher. And the best part that gets us jumping up and down with excitement? You can find all these delectable recipes in the description below. So are you waiting for? Let's kickstart your keto journey right this instant and embark on a path to a healthier, happier life.